Feeling the heat and seeing high energy bills? Let's cool things down with the best air conditioners for 2025. Choosing the best air conditioner can be tricky, but don't sweat it. We've got you covered with the top picks for energy-efficient cooling in 2025. First up, the Goodman 15.2 SEER 2 Central Air Conditioner. Goodman is famous for making reliable and budget-friendly systems. With a 15.2 SEER 2 rating, this model is perfect for homeowners looking to stay cool without breaking the bank. Next we have the Daikin 17 SEER 2 Inverter Air Conditioner. Daikin's a global leader in HVAC innovation. Their inverter-driven technology adjusts cooling based on your needs, making it super energy efficient and ideal for long-term savings. Finally, check out the Trane XR14 Central Air Conditioner. Known for durability and performance, Trane's XR14 is built tough, perfect for extreme conditions and heavy use. So, remember, Goodman offers budget-friendly efficiency, Daikin delivers top-tier energy savings with smart technology, and Trane provides unmatched durability. Investing in a quality air conditioner means optimal cooling, lower energy bills, and long-term comfort. Stay cool, folks.